Hello out there, all you traders. This is Coach Gino again with another market recap for April 21st, brought to you by TackleTrading.com. Looking at the S&P 500, there we are again getting close to resistance. Yesterday hitting 2111 as the high. Today we could not break above yesterday's close and actually closed down. There we have it, a swing high in place. I expect this to come back to the 20-day moving average where you see the blue line drawn here. We're due for a pullback. I would like to see this come back farther than the 10-day moving average that you see here. I'd like to see this come back to about 2070 area. We need a sell-off. Why? Because it's been a long enough run. We're in a lot of resistance here, and I'm having a hard time finding stocks to pick up on support. I need stocks to come back to support. Not a lot of bull candidates landing in my screeners. So please, market, give us a nice sell-off. Also, we have news from the FOMC. That'll be hitting us the 27th. Nothing expected. If you look at our market recap letter, we have a rate calculator prediction in there, and you can see that it's about 2% chance of them raising rates. Really don't expect them to do anything. So all in all, everything is bullish. No news for tomorrow. A lot of economic data came out today. Jobless claims was lower than expected. Very low number, multi-year record. But what I am seeing out of all the sectors, utilities, very nice sell-off. We've got a signal right here. The moving average is crossing over and big volume on the sell-off. There's our warning on the volume back here in the beginning of April. The RSI closed below 50. This means bear. This has triggered bear. And what a ferocious bear this is. I mean, this thing's not just selling off. It is dropping big time. Nobody wants those dividend players, I guess. Nobody really feels like they need that safety, or they're running to bonds. Also, a cousin of utilities and dividend payer and flight to safety is staples, the staple companies. Look at that following suit here. Look at this sell-off here in the staple type companies that we need. These are also good dividend payers. Look at the volume. Quite a bit of volume there to back up the bears. Moving average will probably cross over tomorrow, so I'm brave enough to call this a bear ahead of time because I don't think it's going to get back above the 20-day tomorrow. Also, look at real estate. Real estate topping out. A lot of resistance here, the real estate sector. What's that about? In Easter, we're supposed to rally. This is the real estate time of year where they usually pick up. Seasonality, this is it. Not seeing that here. Seeing a drop-off and volume to back it up. OBV already signaled. As soon as this gets below the RSI 50, that'll be another confirmation. So another day or two down, and you're going to get a sell signal. Not quite yet. I'm going to say real estate's neutral, but watch that on-balance volume. Tighten up your stocks if you're bullish in that sector. And finally, one of the other final bulls I have that is probably going to turn bearish is the retail sector. Now, what's going on here? We do have a lower low back in here. It is bullish on the chart. It's just that my warning signal, once again, the on-balance volume down here below the moving average, meaning the bull volume's not there. It's mostly bear volume. You can see it drying up over here as it rallies. Look at this. Do you guys see that? We're getting volume going that way. And a couple of bad earnings reports could send this lower, and I can see this sector giving up and starting to go slightly bearish. I thought this would be the leader to the downside, but it looks like utilities and staples is it. Well, that's it, guys. April 21st. Stay tuned for more market recaps. Once again, this is Coach Gino. Have a great trading tomorrow, and see you again next week.
The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com